Let's kick things off with Identity and Access Management, or IAM. It's basically the gatekeeper for AWS resources, making sure only the right people get in. Now Terraform, that's our automation wizard. It helps set up infrastructure without manual clicks. Put them together, and you have a powerful duo for secure and efficient cloud management. By the end of this, you'll be handling IAM like a pro, without breaking a sweat. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. AWS IAM is your backstage pass to managing users and access. Think of it as a security guard, only letting in those with the right credentials. You've got policies, roles, and groups, which define who gets what level of access. Why does this matter? Well, nobody wants unauthorized users snooping around their AWS kingdom. With IAM, you lock things down while still allowing necessary access. It's security, but with style. Terraform is like a personal assistant for AWS user management. It automates the entire process so you don't have to click through 100 settings manually. It ensures a consistent setup across different environments, making life easier for cloud engineers. Plus, with version control, you can track who changed what. No more mysterious tweaks. Ultimately, Terraform minimizes mistakes and speeds up IAM user creation. Less hassle, more efficiency. Before diving into IAM user creation, let's get our toolbox ready. First, you need an AWS account with the right permissions, because nobody likes hitting a permission error mid-setup. Then, install Terraform and set up AWS CLI for communication. And don't forget, a little IAM policy knowledge goes a long way. With all these in place, you're ready to create users without any surprises. Terraform commands are like magic spells for cloud infrastructure. First, we understand how the CLI works. Then we move step by step through execution. Some commands like apply and destroy are used frequently. And the best part, we can automate processes to save time and effort. Let's break it down in a way that makes Terraform our best friend. Now let's talk about Terraform's big three: init, plan, and apply. Think of init as setting up our workspace. Plan gives us a preview of changes, like a sneak peek before the actual execution. Then apply makes it happen. If we miss checking the state files, things can get messy. Let's keep it structured and foolproof. Creating IAM users is one thing, verifying them is another. First, log into the AWS console, easy peasy. Then head to IAM and find the new user. Look at the details and ensure permissions are just right. Because trust me, misconfigured access permissions can cause chaos. Let's keep things secure. IAM management is all about balance. Too little access and users struggle, too much and security risks soar. Always follow the least privilege principle. MFA adds an extra shield against threats. Keep reviewing permissions to avoid surprises. And don't underestimate the power of strong passwords. No, password 123 is not okay. Troubleshooting can be frustrating, but it doesn't have to be. First, fix authentication errors, often a simple username or key issue. Permission troubles, check the IAM settings. Terraform failures, maybe the syntax needs a checkup. In logs, they are like a crystal ball showing us what went wrong. Destroying IAM users isn't just about running Terraform destroy. There's more. Dependencies can trip us up, so check warnings carefully. After deletion, verify in the AWS console. And don't forget cleanup. Stray resources can cause unexpected issues. Let's delete responsibly. Security is non-negotiable. Never give excessive permissions. Least privilege is key. Monitor IAM activities for suspicious behavior. Role-based access makes management easy. In regular audits, they help catch vulnerabilities before they turn into disasters. A little caution now saves huge headaches later. We've covered a lot, from executing Terraform commands to securing IAM users. Keep best practices in mind and always keep learning. The next step, implement these lessons in real-world scenarios. Practice makes perfect, and with Terraform and IAM, there's always more to master. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.